Are you looking for a free, easy-to-use tool to help you write and format your book? I'm going to show you how to use Reedsy's powerful book editor without paying a dime. Step 1, sign up for a free Reedsy account. Step 2, create a new project or import your manuscript. You can start from scratch or import an existing manuscript from Word or Google Docs. To do this, click on Create a New Book, give your project a title. If you already have some content, you can import your manuscript as a docx file, and Reedsy will automatically format the document for you. Now, let me tell you why this is important. For first-time authors, this is incredibly helpful because you don't have to worry about setting margins, fonts, or chapter headings because Reedsy does it all for you. Next, let's talk about one of Reedsy's most useful tools for staying productive, goals and insights. This feature is perfect for tracking your progress, setting deadlines, and staying motivated throughout your writing journey. Here's how it works. Number 1, set your word count goal. Whether you're aiming for 30,000 or 80,000 words, you can set a target word count for your book, and Reedsy will track your progress as you write. You'll be able to see how close you are to meeting your goal with each writing session. Number 2, set a deadline. You can also set a specific deadline for when you want your first draft or final manuscript completed. Reedsy will calculate how many words you need to write per day to hit that deadline, giving you a clear writing plan. Lastly, you'll want to track your progress. As you continue writing, Reedsy provides insight into your progress, such as how much you've written and how close you are to your goals. This can help you stay motivated and on schedule, making it easier to finish your book on time. Step 3, organize chapters and sections. One of the best features of Reedsy is how easy it is to organize your book. In the editor, you'll see a list of chapters or sections on the left side of the screen. To add a new chapter, click Add Chapter and give it a title. You can rearrange chapters by simply dragging and dropping them in the order you want. This is a great way to keep your book organized, especially for nonfiction authors who might have multiple sections or parts. Step 4, write or edit your manuscript. Now comes the fun part, the writing. So Reedsy's editor is distraction-free, allowing you to focus on your manuscript. You can write directly in the editor or edit your imported text. The best part is that Reedsy automatically formats things like chapter headings, paragraph spacing, font styles. This is perfect for authors who don't want to deal with complicated formatting tools. Step 5, formatting your manuscript for bold, italics, and more. So one of the great features of Reedsy is its ability to handle text formatting easily, which is crucial for authors who want to emphasize certain points or create a structured reading experience. Here's how you can format your text directly in the Reedsy book editor. So for bold text, you want to highlight the text you want to bold. A formatting bar will appear. Just click on the B icon to bold the text. Italic. Just like with bold, highlight the text you want to italicize. Click on the I icon on the formatting bar to apply italics. Headings. To format chapter titles or subheadings, select the text and click the H1 or H2 icon depending on the level of heading you need. This ensures consistent chapter and section titles throughout your book. To create bulleted or numbered lists, highlight the list items and select the bullet or numbered list icon in the formatting bar. This is perfect for writers creating structured content like checklists or key points. For block quotes or passages you want to emphasize, you can select the text and click on the block quote icon. This will indent the text and format it differently to stand out. And if you need to remove formatting, highlight the text again and click on the formatting option, for example, the bold or the italic icon, to revert it back. All of this formatting will remain intact when you export your book as a print-ready PDF or ebook file, making it easy for your manuscript to look professional without needing external formatting tools. Step number 6 is one of the most important parts of your book, and that is the front and back matter. These are the sections that give your book a professional finish and provide your readers with essential information. So within your front matter, you'll have information like your copyright page. This is where you'll include information like your pen name if you have one, the edition of your book, your year of publication, your ISBN number, as well as your publisher name and publisher logo. If your book has a dedication or a foreword, Reedsy makes it easy to insert these sections. Simply choose which one you want to add from the front matter options and type your content in the editor. These sections can set the tone for your nonfiction book and give your readers insight into why you wrote it. Then there's also the back matter. At the end of your book, it's common to include an About the Author section where you can add a short bio that gives your readers more context about your expertise. You can also include links to your website or social media here. And then lastly, calls to action. Nonfiction authors often include calls to action in their back matter. You can add this to encourage readers to leave reviews, join your email list, or check out other resources you've created. Step number 7. Finally, when your manuscript is complete, it's time to export it. Click on Export, choose your format. You can export as EPUB or PDF or print. In the Formatting Options section, you can choose to hide chapter numbers and include drop caps at the start of the chapter. Next, you'll want to choose a trim size. You can choose from sizes like 5.5 by 8.5 or 6 by 9, which are common for self-published books. My recommendation is to choose a size that's recommended for your genre. Next up, you want to select a template. After choosing your trim size, Reedsy lets you pick from a set of professional templates for your book's interior. These templates ensure that your book has a clean, polished look with consistent fonts, spacing, and formatting. Once you're satisfied with the trim size and template, click Export Your Book, and it will send you an email once typesetting is complete. Reedsy will generate a file that's ready to upload to platforms like Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, or any other self-publishing platform. There's no need to worry about extra formatting. It's already done for you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with other first-time authors looking to simplify their writing and publishing process. And also make sure you check out my previous videos where I offer other software that you can use to format your book.